Good morning, Anna. Did you sleep well?
Morning, Mum. Yes, I did. But I had a strange dream there was a cow in our bathroom.
A cow? That's funny. Anyway, it's already 9 o'clock. You have to get ready.
I know, I have to clean my room, make my bed, and do my homework.
Don't forget to water the plants and take out the rubbish.
Sure, what's for breakfast?
Toast, eggs, and some fresh fruit. There's also orange juice and a little cheese.
Yum! Can I have some banana and butter on my toast?
Of course. And after breakfast, I want you to help me in the kitchen.
What are we cooking?
A vegetable soup for lunch and chocolate cake for dessert.
Great! I'll wear my apron and help cut the carrots and potatoes.
Good girl. After lunch, your aunt is coming to visit. She wants to see your drawings.
Oh, I'll hang them on the wall in the living room.
And don't forget to clean the bathroom and the hall. Use the blue cloth, not the white one.
Okay, I'll also vacuum the carpet in the bedroom and wipe the mirror.
Thanks, sweetheart. You're a real help around the house.
Mum, can I also listen to music while I work?
Yes, but not too loud. Your baby brother is still sleeping.
Got it. I'll use my headphones.
And remember to feed the cat before lunch.
Already did. She loves her new food. It smells like fish.
All right then, let's get started. We have a busy day at home. Let's go.